Okay, now we would need to cover tuples, set, and I guess dictionary. Yes. So let's gonna start with tuple. But now that you have the concept of what is a list, no, wait a minute. I forgot to teach you list methods. Well, I already told you some of them, but just in case, I get this on the book as well. I don't remember what. Let me teach you something really quick. Um, okay, you have this list, okay, and you wanna add a new element, right? You wanna add a new element. Remember before we did something like this, but you add to the list another list, right? You are appending another list. But I told you no, I don't wanna add two lists. I wanna add one element to this list. Okay. So what can we do? See a pen? For example, 1,000. Okay. Print total price. So you use a pen again. And you run the program. It's appending, so adding to the end of the list. Okay, this is append. What else? You can use extend if you have two lists. Product price two. Okay. Sorry. You have, for example, here. Okay. You can use product price, extend here. You can let me try it. Let me try this way. What I did here, product price have all these values, right? Okay, let me remove the append. Okay, so we are not gonna get this here. See the prices, 600, 800, 900, right? And what I did here, I did extend with another list. The another list is 400, 700. The result is gonna be just one list, product price, with all the elements there. The last list is gonna be added at the end. Okay. And other thing that is important is that what happens if you wanna modify one element? So you wanna modify, oh, it's not 600, it's 610. Don't worry. Which list? Product price. Okay. So let's say you wanna add a new element. It's gonna say this way. You wanna add one element. If you add one element, it's gonna be to the end, right? Because we are appending. We know append, right? We know append. But now you don't want to append. You want to add the element in the first position. Okay. So in the first position that is index 0, I want to add 600, oh, 601. And let me print product price to see what's happening. We have index insert something. One insert. Okay. This was the original list of before the insert. Now, since I wrote index 0, it means that new element of the list that I want to insert, that is 601, it's gonna be at the beginning now. If you type here 1, it's gonna be after 600, right? And before 800. So between those values. Here we go. So with the insert, you can decide the correct place where you want to insert the elements. Okay. I already told you the index, the count, something. Okay. Remove. What about you do product price dot remove? You want to remove any product which value is 600. Okay, let's gonna try. Do you see 600 now? No, right? So we were able to remove 600. So what happens if we remove 800? So it's going to modify now to remove 800. And we don't see 800 in our list now. Okay, so this is insert. Right, sorry, remove, right? When we want to remove the element. There is another function, pop. Price, pop. Okay, the product report remove and return last item in the list. You're gonna see here. Let me comment out this one. Not comment this one. Comment, comment. Okay, listen around. Okay. Your list is 600, 900. Is right. So let's gonna print what happened when you use the pop. What? Okay, product price. And product price, but you use pop. What happened? Remove and return. Okay. So remove the elements and return the last item. So you bring the list again. Okay. So the last item was removed. Okay, this is the list. Bring this. You execute the pop method function. What happened? It's gonna remove the last item. And it's gonna return the value. If you print the product price, you're gonna see that 900 doesn't exist. Okay, this is the pop value. Just remove the last element of the list and return the value that the list is removing. Okay. Also, you can specify, I want to remove the first element. See that? Hey, I want to remove the first element. This is the value. And it doesn't appear 600 yet. Okay, if you want to specify the element, you have to specify the index. If you don't specify the index, you're going to remove just the last element. Something that you can do also with the list. Let me comment this one. Okay. So I'm going to modify the values. 800, 700. Okay, this is your list, right? Okay. What happens if you do something like this? Sort. Okay, so when you sort, you are sorting the list. So if you print that, it's gonna return like a location in the computer memory when the sort was done. If you just execute, I can cover the num later. It's like in programming Java, null, but later. Print product price. See what happens. Okay. Product price. You print the list in the order that you created. We created in this order. 600, 900, 700. Now you execute the method sort. And internally it's gonna sort the values. And when you print again, it's in the correct order. So if you want to sort the elements, you can use the function method sort, and it's going to be, in Python, is going to do that for you. Okay. You can use also dot reverse. Six hundred, 900, 700. After the reverse, 700, 900, 600. Just reverse the order the element in your list. Okay, so I cover the most principal list methods in this video. Next video, we want to learn about tuples. Okay, stop recording.